Looking for a story for your child to learn English? Look no further. Enjoy learning about fluffy animals, amazing places, wonderful people. Welcome to Mr. Charles's Story Time. Today's story is How Frogs Grow. A frog lays eggs in water. Tadpoles come out of their eggs. The tadpoles have long tails. The tadpoles grow back legs. The tadpoles grow front legs. The tadpoles are now froglets. The froglets grow and grow. Their tails get smaller and smaller. The froglets are now frogs. The end. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, all the best.